Lot 330 is the 1911 Singer motorcycle with sidecar. This is offered from the Charles J. Nadeau collection. Beautifully restored example of an iconic English motorcycle, fitted with handsomely designed, elegant sidecar. This one is being offered without reserve, but please note the title for this is in transit.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the Singer, how much on this? Who get 10,000 to start? 10,000 yet? 15,000 now. 15,000. We're at 10, asking 15. 15,000. We're at 10,000. How about 15,000? 15,000 dollars. Who wants to be 12.5? 12.5, thank you. 15,000. 17.5. 17.5. 17,500. 17.5, 20,000 down. $20,000. We're at 17.5, asking $20,000. At 17.5, and now $20,000. We're at 17.5 online. $20,000. Any advance at $20,000. Selling tonight, ladies and gentlemen, at $20,000 going once. 17.5. 18, is that right? 18, thank you. 20,000. Now 20,000. 18, asking 20. 18, and now $20,000. It's on the phone desk at 18. 20,000, now 22. Now 22,000. $22,000. 24,000 now. $24,000. We're at 22, and now 24. 24,000 internet. If you want to do it at 24,000 going once. 22, $24,000 twice. Third and final chance at 24, 26 now. 26,000, we're at 24, asking 26. 26,000, we're at 24. $26,000 last chance at $26,000. Any advance at $26,000. Sold. Internet buyer $24,000 on the net.